And it right away says that you're starting it and you have something due. So I'll explain this report for part A due, what all is involved in that. It's not as extensive as what it looks like on the board. You'll have a quiz this week. And then this week, Open Lab is on Friday going to be shortened by an hour. So it'll be 9:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. because our chemistry seminar is joint chemistry bio seminar, and it's at 3 o'clock on Friday. So that's why we're closing early as far as Open Lab on Friday. Okay? And that seminar is over in Winnets in Graves. It's not in 1000 because it's a joint seminar. Next week, so we do part A this week. Next week we'll do part B of experiment 20, have a quiz, and your experiment 17 report is due. So that is a big guy. And you all now should be able to access your NMR data from last week. So all the NMR samples were run. You should be able to get to your data. So process that data as soon as you can, preferably before you come to lab this week, because if you have questions, then you can get help. Next week, I'm also going to, believe it or not, hand out the practice midterm, because we'll have next week, and then we'll have winter break week, and then we'll have the last regular class week or lab lecture week, and I'll go over that midterm, and then we'll have the midterm. So it's quickly approaching us. So that midterm is Monday, February 24th from 4 to 5 in here. Just another reminder, we'll all gather together for that. So experiment 20, you guys are all going to channel yourselves as being technicians working for